Hello, what can you tell me today?
We're gonna tell you different types of plants. Aloe vera is a lotus plant. It's part of the lotus family. Or the lotuses. This is a lotus. And this is lotus.
And guys, this is
now we're moving to herbs. This is a rosemary. It's part of the herb family.
It can get in spice what is that? Chicken spice, spicy stuff.
And what you call it now? This is mini.
And this is something for the plants. So, can we put it on? I don't know what.
Can I help you?
Yes, he put it on me. So he's just helping me out because I didn't have to do it. So he's busy doing it. And
Yeah.
guys, at the end of the video, please like and subscribe because we need the likes.
And this is small parsley. This is a speckle, part of the lotus family.
Really?
And this is healthy. It breathes in carbon dioxide. Now we're moving on to the. Oh, wait. Not yet. This is
Guys, and don't forget about please like and subscribe.
And this is cilantro. Come here.
Oh, wait, guys.
What?
Guys, what is this?
Guess a plant. Put it in the comments.
Put it in the comment. So now we're gonna go up here.
This right here. This is chives.
And in this tiny corner, this is mint leaves.
This is mint. There's
And
also
you
mint
can
right
eat
there.
it. It's very nice. I like eating it. And then we're gonna go up to here.
Yeah, that is also lotuses.
But this
is a lotus. This is cloves.
Wait, guys, I just need to
This
go
is
check.
cloves. And this is a specum. And this is specum tree and this specum
Guys, and
trees.
this is
Now we're moving on to the
flowers.
These are marigold flowers. It's in the garden, so bees can come and pollinate the plants.
Snails like this kind of flower. I just found one snail in this flower, and I'm not gonna let this destroy my most hard work. And now my cousin is just doing it.
Now we move. These are flowers.
Who's Team Shanaz? I am Team Shanaz. He's Team Shanaz. The whole family is a Team Shanaz.
And this is eggplants. This here is pepper juice.
And then
Yeah.
you didn't show him there.
Yeah. This here is spinach. The snails like to eat leafy stuff. So sometimes you put on, but and then the next day then the snails just comes on.
Funny. Okay. Now we're gonna go up here.
This here is cabbage.
And this is
Pink.
This is pindu.
The one with the red in. That's beetroot.
and guys,
This is cabbage. This here is kale.
and guys, this
Now this is cabbage and this is broccoli. That here spinach and kale. There's a broccoli.
Here's the broccoli.
Here's a broccoli. This is how it looks if it's fully grown. If it looks like this, then it's ready to harvest. And you can use it in your stews.
But guys, you better
food.
be careful because it can be
Worms inside.
So always watch your veggies.
And this is the delicious fruit. This is an apple. We don't know what a delicious fruit is. A delicious fruit is like if it has juice inside, it's a juicy fruit. This is plum. This is peach.
This is guavas. And all this stuff is very healthy. It can make you strong. People what is not eating their veggies and always want to eat luxuries. It is not good for you.
Because
You
it
can
affects
get
your health.
diabetes. You know what's diabetes? And you must like and subscribe. See you
Later.
later.